Welcome to our guide on how to edit the chat group name on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open X on your PC to access the platform. Step 2. On the left side of the page, navigate to Messages and click on it to view your direct message conversations. Step 3. In the address box, enter the name of the group you want to edit. Step 4. Locate and click on the group you wish to edit from the list of conversations. Step 5. Within the group conversation, click on the information icon to access conversation settings. Step 6. On the group info page, click the More icon to reveal a drop-down menu and choose Edit Group Name to make changes to the group's name. By following these steps, you can easily edit the chat group name on X, Twitter, using your PC, allowing you to customize and manage group conversations effectively. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to edit the chat group name on X, Twitter, on PC. Enjoy personalizing your group conversations and ensuring clarity and organization by editing the group name to better reflect the chat's content and participants.